Can it just be us tonight? Under the night sky, gonna make my skin rise. Can it just be us tonight? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? 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 Secrets I keep, let the world just fade away. You're all I need. Can it just be us tonight? No one can see. Give you my trust tonight. It's yours to keep. Let's fall in love tonight. In the right place, at the right time. Can we fall in love tonight?
Just running in my car. Alright, welcome to this week's video. It might be a bit of a quick video, I'm not sure, but we made it to Melbourne. What a very, 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 very busy, sleepless, long week. Yeah, so obviously rebuilt engine, got it in and got it running this week. I also worked a couple days and yeah, anyway, so it's Friday and we're here in Melbourne. I'm hoping I can pull my finger out, get this video edited and up today with a little bit of practice in it. Like I said, I'm going to run my car in here at Calder Park. It is the practice day for Drift Fest this weekend. I'm a part of the state versus state competition that they're doing. So I'll also be doing demos through the weekend. But yeah, pretty cool to be here. Like I said, it was a slog to get here, so if you're coming down this weekend, I'll try and, like, the pits are closed off, but I'll try and work something out to be able to, like, actually catch up with people and stuff. But yeah, so anyway, the plan is run the car in. I'm going to do a little bit in the pits here, and then I'm going to do a couple laps on track, and then we'll turn a couple tyres, I reckon, after I change some oil and check over a few things. But we're in good company. There's, yeah, some cool drivers here, so very excited. Let's do it. Sorry, brake pads. I'm probably going to need new brake pads after this. Quick pit walk before practice, have a look at the cars. Sorry about the wind. Can't do much about it. I don't have a microphone thingy yet. Ben Jenkins, S15. Ripper. Sato's JZX 100. That's the 1,000 horsepower, 1,000 kilogram JZX 100.
Don't you have any manners just filming people?
Hey mate, how are you?
What's going on?
Alright, back to where I was. RB20 AU, Dave Egan's driving it. Local car, obviously borrowed or hired for Jack Shanahan, JZ powered. Chris Forsberg driving one of Ferran's RB25, I think it is, an R33. 2530 in that, Ferran's driving that, Hertz driving the 32. So if you watch my videos for a while, you remember I was here, probably in the same garage as crewing last year for LZ. I'm going to pick this up in a minute because I got to go to briefing quickly, but Alright, let's do this. Gonna go out and do some laps and run my car in. So I'll talk you through the lap, what they're looking for, what clipping points they're looking for. I don't really have to deal with a lot of this weekend because I'm kind of just on the demo side of things. But I'll talk you through a lap and yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, you're running teams, yeah, not local heroes, right?
Yep, cheers.
They're running solos for a bit, just so everybody stays away from each other for the moment.
I'm going to run my engine in, so
Let's see how we go.
easy. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. This is basically the area on the track where we scrub. Look how shiny my dash is now. I've got a new dash in it. I had a flock dash in it. Now I've got a gloss dash in it and it's so shiny. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Anyway, so scrub your tyres in here. This is the start line. Left lane leads, right lane chases. Like I said, I'm only here running my car in, so I'm just gonna do a single run, no drifting, not much boost, just to see how everything goes. That clipping zone. They don't want front wheels in there, they want front bumpers in there. Same thing with this one here, you can see that. Mid-track transition, out a clip here, and then into the wall for the final outside zone. Oh, that track's way rougher than I remember. So that's it. Anyway, so I'm going to do that a couple of times. And yeah, go back in, drop some oil and do some skids after that. Lots of foot brake and accelerator without skids. That's it. Let's go change some oil and do a lap. Okay, oil's changed. Engine's as running as it's going to get. So let's do some laps. Still going to need some shaking down of how to drive this layout because it's been a while, but yeah. I've done about, what I did, 3 or 4 laps on it, not last year, in October the year before, so for LC World Tour, and then I probably haven't driven it since 2012, I reckon was the last time I maybe drove this track, so it's been a while, should be alright, get it. First lap. Yeah, but that works. Oh, I'll take that. Go, you good thing. Yeah, let's see whether we can tandem on this track now. slippery, really slippery. But good fun, that was excellent. I haven't done a tandem on this track since 2012, so yeah, go the Corolla, get it. You want me to go first? I think this is the roughest track that I've ever driven. So rough. Absolute idiot. I took off and did the first two corners with the water sprayers on still on the back tyres because I ran them to cool everything down. Idiot! Entered and I was like, it is way too slippery. Yep. Loves it, so good. I bought a new camera mount for my helmet to try and mount the camera more in line with my eyes. It's slightly lower than my eyes, so my eye line's kind of up here a bit, but other than the glare off the dash, which I'm going to try and sort out shortly. Is that better? That looks pretty good. I could feel the sound resonating off that wall. Go, you good thing. You. I might swap tyres left to right, I reckon, because that tyre is starting to wear out quicker than this one. So swap them over. Hit it again. Not bad. Did a good job today, Corolla. So that's it. Practice day done. Corolla on song. Very happy. Did not take long to get used to the track. Did plenty of good laps. I can sleep well tonight knowing that if I get sleep after editing and uploading this video, knowing that I've got everything down and very happy with how it's going. Like I said, yeah, she's running and motor sounds healthy. I will change the oil again probably tomorrow at least once, just to make sure we can flush all that crap out. Yeah, anyway, so if you're coming to Drift Fest this weekend, we'll probably see you here at some stage. If you're not coming, tune in next Friday probably for my rundown video of the full event. Obviously this is just a practice day video to see, you know, the rush behind the scenes and getting here and everything, and a little bit of driving. So thanks for watching, legends. Catch you next week. This is actually crazy. Dago Sato's car, Mitch Bullen's car, Need for Speed Most Wanted. Definitely my favourite video game growing up. It's crazy.